I can't see the drone. He's gone. We're out here in Leadington doing a drone video of the 200 acres on the Pere Marquette River. Jacob Haar here from Haar Productions is out running his drone over the 200 acres trying to take photos for us, and instead of having people have to walk the 200 acres, they can sit in their pajamas and do it. Where'd your drone go, Jacob?
My drone
I can't see it.
is now right over there behind the house.
Oh, there he is, up in the air. Got him. Off in the distance. Drone finished its first route. Now it's coming back home, waiting for it to land. Where is the drone? Oh, here he comes. I see him in the air. Oh. That's too cool. And it made it back safely.
Gonna catch a takeoff here?
Yep. Jacob's going to send him back up for his second run. And he's off. Here he comes home again. Good job, Jacob.